on my face, cause I'm from Ken-Tenn. Ken-Tenn, this that Ken-Tenn. That's just how we do it in the Ken-Tenn. I'm from Ken-Tenn. Ken-Tenn.
Pressure all 2022. Y'all see what time it is. Top down. Swap. Swap Performance Ken-Tenn Kustomz. Alright. Get it off the track. Man, that thing run good, man. It run good, but guess what? It's time for it to run even better with that LS swap. Y'all know what time it is, man. So y'all want a good running motor, man. This is it. There ain't nothing wrong with it. The owner just wants that LS swap. He wants that pressure. Wants that pressure. So like I said, good running motor, it is for sale. It is for sale. The pimps and the players here at Better Days Auto Sale. Yes, we'll throw in a 2 weeks warranty. 2 weeks, yes, that's 2 whole weeks or 25 miles, whatever one comes first. Yes, and if you buy our extended warranty, we'll also throw in a mechanic. Yeah, and he'll drive in the passenger seat with you, or in the trunk, because that's that leather in there. Don't want to mess up that. We taking it out, putting that LS beat in there, the LS heartbeat. Yeah. It's even got one of these old-timing carburetors on it, man. Y'all remember these back when Fred Flintstone and them used to have cars? Old-time carburetors. Y'all remember back when Barney and Fred and all them had cars, don't you? I know you remember. Yes, sir. What up, Ken-Tenn Kustomz? You know what time it is. We on the road with my homie Fly by G Money. Man, we down here doing some Alabama business. He came from the shop, met at the Ken-Tenn. Now we down here in Alabama, down here with Forrest Gump and all them. So,
you know what I think? I think you should go home to Greenbow, Alabama.
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
Stupid is stupid does, Mrs. Blue.
I guess.
we getting on to some business. We got an empty trailer in the back, but that's all I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna catch back up with y'all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Y'all see G Money over there, man. Got him a title. Got him another Landau. Y'all see what's going on, man. Ken-Tenn Kustomz, Fly by G Money. Pressure all 2022, man. Fly by G Money's back. You hear me? He's back. Hey, we're gonna make it happen for the car show. May the 15th, connected, never competing. 78 Chevy boy.
Yes,
sir. Ken-Tenn Kustomz, Fly by G Money. Exclusive 2.0. Coming soon. Man, another Landau, man. Ken-Tenn Kustomz, Fly by G Money 2.0. Coming soon. Just loaded it up. Y'all know what time it is, man. Ken-Tenn Kustomz, pressure all 2022, man. Box Chevy movement, big ad man. What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Ken-Tenn Kustomz, man. Checking in with y'all, man. As y'all seen, man, we done did it again. We done did it again, homie. Fly by G Money. We done did it again. That fire ain't gonna stop nothing. Nothing at all, bro. We got that Whoopi Goldberg 2.0. Yes, sir, we did it. Whoopi Goldberg 2.0. Y'all better stay tuned, because this one about to go up, up, up. You hear me? So yeah, y'all gotta stay tuned with us, man. With no sleep, no grind, man. We've been grinding this whole time. No sleep, just straight grind action. Man, my homie Fly drove from the Shy all the way down to the Ken-Tenn. From the Ken-Tenn, we drove all the way down deep South Alabama and grabbed that 1979 box Chevy. You hear me? 1979 box Chevy. Yes, sir. And now we back on the road. I got to go to Indiana this morning, so this G-Money going to be going up that way again. So, man, no sleep. It's just straight grinding. That's what we do. But, yeah, homie, I'm glad you got another two-door Landau. I'm glad you back in the box Chevy gang. I told you it wasn't going to take me long to find another Landau, bro. I'm glad we got us another one. It ain't going to stop from here. He got some pressure coming, and the motor and transmission in there is A1. But you know what time it is. It's for sale, like my homie said. It's for sale, and we're gonna get some more pressure to drop in there, because it's pressure all 2022, and we got car shows to make. May the 15th, Connected Never Competing car show. Big shout out to 78 Chevy boy. So yeah, we got car shows to hit. We got things to do. It was a minor setback for big leaps and bounds of what we got coming though. So you know what I'm saying? That fire with nothing, G, gonna come even harder. That didn't do nothing but add a little spice to the situation. So we good. You know what I'm saying? So let's just keep grinding, and y'all make sure y'all stay locked to Fly by G Money's channel and Ken-Tenn Kustomz and Swap's Performance, because all three of those channels you're gonna get to see some of this pressure. So most definitely. So let's get it, gang, and stay locked. As always, pressure all 2022. You hear me?
Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one.
Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all know what time it is. Swap's Performance, Ken-Tenn Kustomz, man. Pressure all 2022. Y'all know what time it is. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and go to www.KenTennKustomz.com and pick you up all this fire-ass merch. Pressure! What's up, gang? I need everybody to pull up at the first annual Connected Never Competing car and bike show hosted by 78 Chevy boy. Yeah, you heard it right. The homie's first annual car show. So you already know who had to pull up. It's your boy, Ken-Tenn Kustomz. Yeah, man, I am the special guest judge. Pull up May the 15th. 2022, Landau Center, South Haven, Mississippi. I need everybody to bring out that pressure. Box Chevys, old body styles, new schools, Corvettes, bring it all out. Bikes and all. Let's get it, gang. All right, Swap.